Who are the promoters? My Lord, we wish to submit on this that against all evidence which was not controverted, that the promoters of this initiative was Honorable Dennis Waweru and Honorable Junet Mohamed. The court insists on finding that His Excellency President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta was the promoter of this initiative against all evidence. We want to submit categorically that the promoters of the popular initiative we are talking about in this case were the two gentlemen we have mentioned. Any person in this country, including the president, including this court, can support the initiative, in the words of Article 257. My Lord, in the entire 315 pages of the judgment, the one thing the court does not do is take the bill that is being examined and come to the end of the bill, as is usually necessitated, and ask, so who are described as the promoters? That is the one question the court does not pose. 315 pages. My Lord, I invite you to look at volume 5, page 2116 to 2158, especially at page 2158. It clearly shows that it is an initiative, the Building Bridges Initiative. And the word initiative there is used because those are the words of Article 257. It's an initiative. My Lord, it's an initiative promoted by Honorable Dennis Waweru and Honorable Junet Mohamed. To demonstrate that point, the affidavit of Dennis Waweru. In that affidavit, paragraph 1, paragraph 18, and paragraph 19 and 29 are very clear. Honorable Dennis Waweru says that I and Honorable Junet Mohamed are the promoters of this initiative.